When the power goes out, staying safe and well lit is a top priority. In this video, we'll cover the best emergency lighting solutions, so you and your family can stay bright and secure during any outage. First, let's start with basic battery-powered lights. Stock up on LED lanterns, flashlights, and headlamps. They're reliable and easy to use. Keep extra batteries on hand to ensure your lights don't go dark when you need them most. For long-term outages, solar-powered lights are an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. They recharge during the day and keep your space lit at night, perfect for off-grid living or extended emergencies. Don't forget the classics. Candles can be a backup option, but be cautious with open flames and make sure to keep them in safe, non-flammable holders. Another great tip is DIY lighting using glow sticks, which are safe for kids and pets. Finally, make sure to organize your lighting options in an easily accessible emergency kit. Know where everything is so you're not scrambling in the dark. By preparing with these lighting solutions, you'll be ready for any power outage. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.